Also, Malacanang asserts that President Aquino did not violate any law since there was no transaction to secure the conviction of then Supreme Court Chief Justice Renato Corona in 2012. Rocky Ignacio reports.
Malacanang is ready to face any probe initiated by the House of Representatives on the alleged misuse of public funds and abuse of power. Presidential Communications Secretary Sani Coloma said this after a resolution had been filed in Congress to determine the possible abuse of public funds and authority by the executive. Abacada filed a resolution following the reports of President Aquino's meeting with some senator judges during the impeachment trial against former Chief Justice Renato Corona. Malacanang stands firm that the president did not violate any law since there was no transaction or any favor to secure Corona's conviction.
Katulad po ng ating sinasabi, kung mayroong ganyang mga katanungan, karapatan naman nilang siyasatin yan at nahahanda naman ng ehekutibo na sagutin ang kanilang mga katanungan.
Malacanang also defended the participation of TILG Secretary Mar Rojas in the meeting. Senator Bong Revilla and Jinggoy Estrada mentioned that Rojas brought them at Bahay Pangarap to meet the president.
Sa aking palagay, bahagi din naman ang kanyang tungkulin na magkaroon ng pagkakataon na talakayin ng mga isyong ito kapag ang kanyang kaharap ay mga katulad ni Senador Estrada. Wala naman akong nakikitang tinalakay doon na labag sa batas, no, o labag sa anumang pamantayan ng ethical behavior, no, in public service.
It was public knowledge that the president wanted Corona to vacate his post due to unexplained wealth. Coloma added that the president is determined to get justice against corrupt officials. The palace official also said this in response to the statement of former First Lady and now Ilocos Representative Imelda Marcos of alleged inhumane treatment by the Aquino administration to former President and Pampanga Representative Gloria Arroyo. Marcos visited Arroyo. He is detained at the Veterans Memorial Medical Center due to plunder case.
Ang Pangulong Aquino po ay walang masamang hangarin laban kay dating Pangulong Arroyo. President Aquino holds no ill will towards former President Arroyo. Ang kanya pong hospital confinement at the Veterans Memorial Medical Center is by order of the court in recognition of her medical condition.
Aside from Congresswoman Marcos, former President Fidel Ramos, Joseph Estrada, and Archbishop Emeritus Oscar Cruz have visited Arroyo at the VMMC.
Yan ang perceptions ng mga political analysts. Parang nagkakaisa na tong group na to na parang may grudge si Pinoy sa bawat isa.
Hayaan na lang natin yung expression, no, ng kanilang mga opinion hinggil sa bagay na yan. Sa ganang amin, ang mahalaga rito ay yung paggawad ng katarungan hinggil sa mga usapin ng dating Pangulo.
So, hindi kinakabahan ang palasyo?
Hindi.
Okay, thank you.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.